If you want to remove something from a photo on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you need to do is you need to go to the gallery. Over here in the gallery, we're gonna open the photo that we wish to edit. We're gonna tap on this icon over here, this square with a pen. And then once we are in here, we should be able to try to find the tool that is used to erase. So let me actually try to find it. Let's go to markup, create. There we go. We have the erase option in here. And we might need to download it first. As you can see, I have to actually download the eraser in this case. But it shouldn't take too long to actually get it on your phone. Once it is done, we can open it. Now we can remove objects, we can remove people, remove reflections, and we can also manually select whatever we wanted to remove. So we have circle, we also have the wipe option. So in my case, I'm gonna select the thing that I want to get rid of. There we go, it has been selected. Let's see if I can actually further fix it. There is also some little part in here that was not captured. There we go. And after that, we can just tap on start in order to start erasing our selected thing, our selected object, or maybe a selected person. And after a couple of seconds, as you can see, it is gone. Now, in my case, I have some shadows left, so of course you can keep going and you can try to get rid of the shadow as well. Let's see if it's gonna be selected, maybe not. Maybe I'm just gonna select it like this, and we're gonna see if that's gonna work. Okay, maybe this part a little bit as well. And we're gonna check the results. All right, so now we're gonna press start again. And hopefully it's gonna look better. So let's see. Okay, I think it's pretty decent. It's done a pretty decent job. So we're gonna now tap on this check in the bottom right corner. We can of course save our photo, and that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.